the small footprint that we can provide and the lightweight of the product, it's a key for all the families. So we discovered that yes, customizing is a basic because they need to fit, but then the low profile and the lightweight is the second priority for all the families because they need to take the equipment with them for traveling, schools, families, etc. And then by having the opportunity to take the equipment with them, they actually can go to the restaurants, events. They also can sit on the floor, so they can start more interactions with peers and friends and getting more of the educational piece. It's also water resistant, so we chose a materials and the shape of the seat that it can be easily clean and water resistant, so families can use them in shallow water, but also as a showering chair for some of them. And the small footprint is something that always kind of exciting to see, and we keep discovering how families actually can use it. So bicycle trails, they use them also as an insert for strollers because most of the strollers are not supportive enough. It's so small that it can fit in different swings. They can use them on airlines, and we are so excited that sometimes those families discovering new opportunities that never been possible because of the size of other products. So like sleds and mobility, it's one of those things.